Now, a lot of people said this was just a prank. I don't know if it's real or not, or the authenticity of it. But I just want to say, if it is, there's nothing funny about this. It's crazy how people was like this whole Popeyes thing. It came out. I never spoke about it because I was really embarrassed of all the black people lining up, fighting, cursing out employees at Popeyes because they didn't have the chicken sandwich. Even my sister works there, and my cousin was kept asking me and bothering me about it. I'm pretty sure it's not that good. It's just a regular chicken sandwich, but this is just ridiculous. But I'll talk to you guys in the next video.